This is rice cake called Tteokbokki 떡. You can easily find Korean groceries. It's 120 grams for one serve size. Oh, it's too bright. I got a pork in my fridge and I just want to use this pork fat for the tteokbokki. I only need this fat and I don't know, throw away this meat. Boil this rice cake for about a minute and it'll become soft like this and bring it into the bowl. Add some 참기름 so this guy is not to stick together. Bring the pan on the medium heat. Put some oil a little bit. Oh, I think it's a little bit too much, so wipe it out. Whoa, it's too hot. Reduce the heat and put some fat on the pan first. I just want to have a tablespoon of pork fat and bring it out if you have enough fat. Whoa, it's still hot. I'm making sauce now. A tablespoon of soy sauce, sugar half tablespoon of corn syrup. This corn syrup will make the sauce sticky, but if you don't have, just use sugar, that's fine. 1.5 tablespoon of gochugaru and scallion a little bit. Mix it properly and that's it for the sauce. Add a tablespoon of butter as well. The flavor will be much richer. Put these rice cakes into the pan. Stir fry rice cakes for about 2-3 minutes and it'll get the crispy skin. Put this sauce in now, which we made it already, and reduce the heat.
Oh my gosh. 냄새 장난 아니네.
Oh, this smells so good. The chili powder and pork fat is amazing. This oil tteokbokki is actually first time I tried to make it, and it's become immediately my favorite one.
찍고 있어? 맛있어서 음하는 거 아니면 연기하는 거야?
그냥 진짜 맛있어.
그지?
떡볶이 고퀄인데?
Let's make a 신당동 style 즉석 떡볶이. We need some rice cakes, of course. And what I need is some eggs and some sausages and fish cakes and some instant ramen noodles and some veggies. This is lettuce and scallions and carrots. So basically put everything in and boil it. That's it. Simple. And this tteokbokki is normally sold in 2-serve size, not for 1. Don't ask me why, I have no idea too. Okay, make the sauce. 4 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, just a little bit of garlic, tablespoon of mirin. This is the secret of a 신당동 style tteokbokki. Add half tablespoon of jajang sauce, just a little bit of sesame oil, and a little bit of sesame seed. Oh, that's too much. And crack some pepper in. That's it for the sauce. Chop up some veggies and fish cakes, sausages, boiled eggs. 짜잔! Put everything in the skillets, add 1.5 cup of water, and put the sauce in half of them. If you order this tteokbokki in the restaurant in Korea, they serve you like this, and you boil it in your table. Add some sauce if you need some more. So you gotta cook it in your table. This is really important for this tteokbokki. I wanna add this ramen noodle, but it's almost full here. But that's okay, just chuck him in. Put some sauce on the top and it'll get soft very soon. This is 즉석 tteokbokki.
맛있네 이거?
This is traditional Korean style rice cake. I made it by myself before. I'm gonna use these guys to make an old school tteokbokki. 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, just put them into the pan, and 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, and again 2 tablespoons of sugar, tablespoon of soy sauce, and tablespoon of dashida. Add 2 cups of water, bring it up to boil, add rice cakes in now, and that's pretty much it. Easy. And this is street food style tteokbokki. I used to have this a lot after school every day. 1 piece of tteokbokki for 100won. That's so cheap. And you know, this is a homemade rice cake, so it's really good with this old school tteokbokki. It's very simple, but still very good. 자, 그리고 다음 egg scrambled tteokbokki. Chop up half size of onion first. I love eggs, so I'm gonna use 5 eggs. But if you want, you can just use 3 of them, it's fine. Add a little bit of salt and beat it up. Okay, put your pan on the medium heat. A little bit of olive oil. Fry onion first. Stir fry for a couple of minutes. Put this beaten eggs in now. Oh, I almost forgot. Add a little bit of butter as well. Just scramble it. Add rice cakes 120 grams. Stir fry it until the rice cake gets soft, okay? Yeah, this is scrambled egg tteokbokki. Sprinkle a little bit of parsley on the top. That's it. Wow. And next tteokbokki, garlic. We're gonna use a lot of garlic. This is tempura mix. Yeah, we're gonna deep fry it. Add half cup of tempura mix and half cup of water. Mix it well. I wanna put all this garlic, chuck him in here. Deep fry like a tempura. Anything deep fry is very good with tteokbokki. But this deep fry garlic is so Korean style, I can tell. Now put him on the kitchen towel and you can remove some oil. Let me try one. That's nice and crispy. Okay, prepare other stuff like fish cakes and scallions. Boil 2 cups of water in the pan. Tablespoon of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and soy sauce, 2 TS. Add rice cake now and boil it together. Oh yeah, fish cakes. Simmer it for a few minutes. Add scallion and fry the garlic on the top. This is famous Hongdae style garlic tteokbokki. This fried garlic make this tteokbokki very special. You gotta try.
와우. 뭐 이거 갈릭이야? 헐.
맛있다.
뭐야?
에그 스크램블 떡볶이.
와.
이거 생각보다 맛있는데?
국내여서 애들이 좋아하겠는데 약간? 달달하네. 봐봐.
Okay, next. This is minced beef, 100 gram. I'm gonna marinate this first. Add half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of mirin, just a little bit of garlic, sesame oil, half tablespoon. Mix it all of them together and we're gonna leave it for about 10 minutes. And chop up some veggies. I'm gonna use half size of onion, 1/4 size of carrot, slice them, 1/3 size of capsicum, half cup of sliced scallion. And this is dried shiitake. I soak it into water already. Okay, boil the rice cake for about a minute. Yeah, just 1 minute. Put teaspoon of 참기름 and teaspoon of soy sauce. Marinate this one too. Okay, put it on the medium heat. Add a bit of an oil. Fry these onions and carrots first. And then put this marinated beef in here. Stir fry it together until the meat is 80% cooked. And rice cakes in now. Stir fry a bit more. Half tablespoon of oyster sauce. And put all these vegetables we have. That's it. This is 궁중 tteokbokki. You know, 궁중 tteokbokki meaning is royal tteokbokki. The Korean king used to have this, I guess. This one is soy sauce based, so it's not spicy at all. Tastes a little bit like bulgogi. Kids loves it. Okay, this one's gonna be a little spicy. Cook this rice cake in the boiling water for a minute like before. While it's boiling, prepare 2 chicken thigh and remove some fat. Salt and pepper before you put the... Put on the flour front and back. Damn, I almost forgot my rice cake. Put the pan on the medium heat. Put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Alright, let's pan fry chicken first. I like frying chicken in the whole piece, but you don't have to do this. Just chop up and fry it, that's totally fine. This is how I cook teriyaki chicken. Oh, my hand, full of an oil. Add 2 tablespoons of gochujang when the chicken is about 80% cooked, tablespoon of gochugaru, tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of bulldog sauce. Oh, I love this sauce with chicken. Now put those rice cakes in, stir fry for 2 minutes, and that's it. Put some mozzarella cheese on the top if you want. I don't have it today, so I put some sesame seed instead. Okay, 다 했다. I'll try this one with Stephanie.
아, 이게 궁중 떡볶이야? 이거?
잡채만 아니야, 잡채만.
내 스타일이다. 이거 맛있다. 떡볶이가 매워서 못 먹는 사람들은 이거 먹네. 간장 베이스인데 안 매워.
I'm using this sauce to make another special tteokbokki. Finally, chop up half onion. Also chop up some scallions, about 2 cups. And it's minced pork, 100 gram. I'm gonna use my wok for this one. Put it on the high heat. Put some vegetable oils in. Fry this spring onion first. Okay? Make some 파기름. Fry this onion next. Keep it in the high heat, okay? Don't burn it. Let's put this pork next. Okay, stir fry. You gotta be quick. Just a little bit of ginger powder, sugar 2 tablespoons, and tablespoon of soy sauce. Most important, jajang sauce. Put 3 tablespoons of jajang sauce and stir fry it. Okay, sauce is done. You can make a jajangmyeon with this too. I don't know why I changed the pan, but anyway, you just put some sauce on the pan and put some rice cake on the top of it. Stir fry together until the rice cake becomes soft, okay? Yeah, fish cake should go together. Cup of water. Simmer it for 2-3 minutes. Cut up some cucumbers and chilies for the garnish. Oh, I want to add a tablespoon of gochujang to spice it up. It smells just like a jajangmyeon. Yeah, we just finished another one called jajang tteokbokki. Put some cucumbers and chilies for the garnish, and don't forget to put this boiled eggs as well. Oh my god, it looks good. Okay, next, I'm gonna cut up all these veggies first. This is half of an onion, chop it up. I'm supposed to use broccoli, but I don't have it, so use capsicum instead. It's same green color, so it should be okay. This is bacon? No, actually, this is sandwich ham. No bacon today, so I'm just using it. Put them on the low heat and put some butter first, and add all these veggies and fry them together. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic and bacon, no ham. Stir fry it in the low heat until the onion gets soft. Now, this rice cake, directly put it in the pan. Add some milk, about 300 ml. Cheddar cheese, I'm gonna use 2 pieces. Parmesan for more cheesy flavor. Crack some salt and pepper in. Simmer it for about 2 minutes. Korean style carbonara tteokbokki is done. This one tastes just like a cream pasta, but with the chewy rice cake, it's very special. It's delicious, but be careful with the calories, okay? Last tteokbokki, we're gonna use a lot of garlic for this. Slice 10 garlic cloves into small pieces and some spring onions a little bit. Add 1/3 cup of olive oil. Put it on the low heat. Pan fry this garlic with olive oil so the flavor of garlic will infuse into the oil. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic to give it more garlic flavor. Whoa, there's a lot of garlic. Keep stirring until it gets brown colored. Okay, while it's cooking, let's chop up this dried prawn. I use 5 of them, chop it into very small pieces like this. Put them into the pan and fry them together. When you see the color become like peanuts, that means it's ready to put these rice cakes in. Add a tablespoon of sugar when it has become a little bit soft. And pinch of salt as well. Cook it a little bit more for the rice cake gets crispy skin. This is aglio olio style tteokbokki. Put these spring onions on the top and that's it. This is very similar with an oil pasta, but with this chewy rice cake, makes it very different. 새우 들어갔어. 배고픈 건 아니야?
아니야. 대박. 이거 진짜 대박이다. 진짜 맛있는데 이거?
이거 먹어봐.
이거 진짜 맛있어. 우와, 크림이다.
너무 맛있었네.
너무 맛있어. 지금 몇 가지야? 지금 한 10가지잖아.
파이널리 10개 다 했어.
이제 떡볶이 좀 할까? 어때?